This video will guide you through the steps necessary to ensure a perfect fit for your new Viking tank bag for street bikes. Your new magnetic tank bag includes everything needed to attach it quickly and easily without the use of additional tools. Viking magnetic tank bag for street bikes. Viking convertible shoulder strap. The strong magnets integrated into the flaps on the bag let you install your tank bag easily and keep it securely in place. Position the tank bag over the fuel tank with the pocket facing the rider and guide the front magnetic flap down onto the front of the tank. Adjust the position of the bag to fit the contours of the fuel tank to ensure that the bag sits closely on top of the tank. Your bag is now mounted and you're ready to ride. To conveniently convert your tank bag to a backpack for use when not riding, just attach the provided straps to the D-rings on the back of the tank bag and carry it with you.